everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Apple responded to its green lies. So let's get started. Apple has consistently emphasized its commitment to environmental sustainability through various initiatives and reports. If faced with allegations of green lies or misleading environmental claims, Apple would likely respond with a detailed explanation of its environmental efforts and practices. Firstly, Apple would reaffirm its dedication to environmental responsibility, highlighting its long standing commitment to reducing its carbon footprint, conserving resources, and transitioning to renewable energy resources. Apple has been vocal about its goal to achieve carbon neutrality across its entire supply chain and product cycle, a target it aims to accomplish by 2030. Secondly, Apple would address the specific allegation or claims made against it, providing transparent explanations and evidence to refute any inaccuracies. This could involve clarifying misconceptions about its environmental impact metrics, detailing the methodologies used in its environmental reporting, or explaining the complexities of measuring sustainability progress in a global supply chain. Overall, Apple's response to allegations of green lies would likely involve a comprehensive overview of its environmental initiatives, a transparent explanation of its practices, and a commitment to continued involvement in environmental stewardship. So, Apple may emphasize its transparency and accountability in environmental reporting, citing its annual environmental responsibility report and other public disclosures as evidence of its commitment to honest and accurate communication about its environmental performance. So, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.